Hello YouTube, this is Dr. DaretoBeCreative, and excuse my mess, but I am here with this month, July 2018 Zine Collab. And this is the Zine Craz Kollab with Tina from Tellhimthanku. And so she had us do a zine each month, no themes, no requirements, whatever you want to do. And you can create it however you want to do it. So this is for the month of July. There's a list of ladies in the link below, and you can see what they made. Magazine is short for the word zine is short for the word magazine. And typically what you do is you decorate a piece of paper and you fold it in such a way. It could be 8.5 by 11, it could be 12 by 12, whatever size you want. But you fold it in such a way is that you have certain pages that you open it up and you can read it like a magazine, like a booklet. You will see this a lot in the business world. And of course, as crafters, things got amended and we took it into the crafting world. So anyway, the goal of it too is to make it very texturized if you can. You can use it for text. You can do it for a lot of different things. And typically you swap these. You mail them out. And typically you mail the Xerox copy or printed copy so that the person can have the same copy of it like a magazine copy, but you keep the original. And that also helps on cost. But it also looks pretty cool when you see, like on this one, it has the fun fur, but then how it transfers over into the actual printed copy. And I don't know if it's too much light coming in. I'm moving everything. I'm knocking my camera. Sorry. Anyway, my room is a mess and I've been crafting. So anyway, I'm going to show you my zine. This is my zine. I use dollar store stickers. And this is it all laid out. And what I did was, let's see if I have a copy over here, the other sheet. Did I move it? Of course I moved it. Took a regular piece of paper. I ripped up one of my 12 by 12 pieces of paper and adhered it on the back, put gesso on it. So you may see some pieces of paper layered in the background, ripped up, traced around it, and just to give some dimension. Like that's a piece of paper. This is a piece of paper right here. Let's just add a little bit of dimension. And then I used some gelatos, and I just colored with different colors. The gelatos I got from Michael's on clearance a while back, a couple of months ago, and I decided to use those. Use my baby wipe to smear the colors in and put some washi tape on top. And then I just decorated with some dollar store stickers, which is a great way for me to use up my dollar store stickers. So I would go through it and show you what I did and then show you my copy. So this is page 1. So we're here. This is a dollar store dimensional sticker. Plus some bling, some sequins, and I use some glossy accents to give that a little bit sheen. I don't think you can see too well. This lighting is terrible. It's in the middle of the day. Glossy accents, some sequins. This is some washi, and this is a little sticker when Tuesday morning had back. What was those books called? Not drunk journals. Totally forgot the name of them. But those little books when you like scrapbooking, but you put your ephemera with it too. Anyway, they had those little stickers, and this says moving along, and just coincidentally the tape says embrace the journey and be strong, so that kind of goes along with that little stamp that says move along. And then just some green and purple sequins when you open it up. Again, the background is those ripped pieces of paper. This is dollar store stickers, the gold as well as the flowers. And then this is some fun fur that I just recently hauled from Michael's, glossy accent there. I put on that little circle that epoxy dot came from. Both of these came from the Dollar Tree, and I just traced around it, and washi there and washi there. Some recollection washi. Some more of that recollection washi, some more of that dollar store stickers, some them little hearts, dollar store bling, them little orange centers, dollar store bling, and sequins, some more of that, and some more washi. Again, that sticker from Tuesday morning, that wood ephemera came from Tuesday morning, in a pack with both of these in a pack. American Crafts, and they had the Polaroids with it. And there's another one of those stickers. This one says birds of a feather, and this one says what's the dilly, and this one says in love. Epoxy sticker there. Some more bling. Sequins and some more bling. It's a doily in the background, some washi tape, glossy accents. And then the last page says one of a kind and buy, glossy accents, and an epoxy sticker added to the Dollar Tree stickers. Those looks like the little lollipop ones. So that is my zine. And then here is my photocopy. So when you look at a zine, you want to make it look as textured as possible. You're going to get a different color effect too a lot of times when you print it. But you hopefully you want the dimension to show through on the copy. So if you look, actually you can see the dark edges of where the paper was torn that I had here before I put the gesso on it. That showed up nicely. And then there's a sticker, and that's the fun fur. Washi tape in the background. And for some reason, whenever I go to Kinko's Office Max, I always get this white trim around it. I have mine printed on glossy paper, and it's thin quality, like magazine quality. Don't get cardstock because it's harder to fold. It's easier on thinner paper. That says be happy, be creative, and I did trim everything with Spectrum Noir green marker. But I like how it shows up in the Xerox copy as well. So thanks for liking and subscribing. Hopefully you'll try your hand at making a zine and check out the ladies below. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.